So how do you change the color of your calendar widget on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works and what options you have available. So if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. So of course you can go to your home screen, hold down on it to perform some changes, tap on edit in the top left and go to the add widget. So actually plenty of apps to pick from, and you can click the calendar like that, and you'll be able to see from and pick from 6 different widget types. And you can see that, for example, I'm gonna add the up next widget in 3 sizes, or the list, whatever. But the point is that you can add a widget which is a pretty large one, and it's gonna display all of the upcoming events. And the color of those events is not really determined by the widget settings or anything like that, but it is determined by the color that is set up for your specific calendar, right? So if you open up your main calendar application like that, you'll be able to see that there is the ability to add new event or whatever, and then also associated with different calendar. So in my case, I have the work calendar, home related one, and also untitled, which is just an example, but each of them has a different color, right? So as you can see, if I change it to something else, it will also take a different color, right? So that is how you can change the color in the widget as well. And the whole point is that you can also tap on the calendar icon below, see the different calendars, tap on information, and change the color for each of them. Now, the one you decided to add the event to will also adopt the color that you have selected for it. So that's kind of how it generally works. If there is anything else that you would like to know, let me know about it below. Hit a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.